This is Dr. Aaron Seaton from the Chiropractic Place. I wanted to do a video about headaches. That's a pretty common condition that I see in my office at least a few times a week. Somebody comes in who's been suffering with chronic headaches. And unfortunately, chiropractic care is typically the last resort for these patients. Many of them have been suffering for months to years with chronic headaches. They're missing days at work. They're missing time with their family. This is a big deal. It impacts people's lives. Migraine headaches alone cost the United States anywhere from $13 to $17 billion a year. So, what can chiropractic do for headaches if so many people are suffering and they're looking for a solution to that problem? Well, what chiropractors do in the case of headaches is we're typically looking at the part of the spine in the neck. Now, what happens is we deal with what are called cervicogenic headaches. This can also impact migraine headaches because the nerves that exit the spine at this level, at the top of the neck, actually help regulate the blood flow to the head. So by making sure that the neck is moving properly, we can cut down on the pressure or the irritation that can happen to these nerves. And by doing that, we allow the blood flow to open up. What happens in this area, if you press on these nerves and cause irritation, it can decrease the blood flow to the head, creating that pounding headache feeling. So if these bones are locked in that position and they're constantly pressing on those nerves, disrupting that flow of blood to the head, over time you're going to continue to have headaches. We can take all the medications we want, but if we don't address that problem and we don't get that area moving, are we really fixing the problem? No, at that point you're just masking the symptoms. So in my office, what we do is we focus on correcting that problem. Let's get those bones moving properly, get pressure off of those nerves so that they can properly communicate with the blood vessels that supply the head. Now, this is something I'm very confident with. We see people weekly who have been suffering with headaches, and we see it time and time again, people undergoing regular chiropractic care, not having headaches anymore. So if you're suffering from headaches and you want some more information, please contact my office. Dr. Aaron Seaton with the Chiropractic Place.